Inside a fast-moving city train, passengers sit quietly. A blue parrot stands by the window, alert and calm. A hooded stranger rushes in, drops a metal backpack, and jumps out as the doors shut. Tick, tick, tick. Panic spreads. It's a bomb! Without hesitation, the blue parrot grabs the bag and throws it out the emergency window. Boom! A blast erupts outside the train. The train survives. Everyone is safe. The parrot collapses, injured but alive. True heroes don't wear uniforms. Sometimes they have blue wings.